Model 2017 Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps chassis cab body, white, Luton, box mileage, 93,496 MOT, the 1st of March 2024 engine, 1,996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI.